here's Tami Michaels.
I am Tami Michaels, and it is my hope that each and every week that we do this program, that you walk away with some useful information that you can take with you. And to me, that is in fact the best part of today's program, and each and every time I have the opportunity to talk to you about home improvement. I want to leave you with a couple of quick thoughts, and that is the fact that this time of year, I really believe that I want you to know something that happened to me, and it did take me off the air, and it did take me off the grid. And as I drive around Seattle, I see it everywhere, and that is it's from my heart. Those slick and sometimes icy roads. How many times do you drive on I-5? How many times do you drive on 405 that you see not just one car pile up, like one or two, you see multiple cars. And on July 1st, I was in a terrible car accident. And I do mean terrible. I don't remember anything from the entire month of July. And it was a TBI, a traumatic brain injury, which you can read. There's no such thing anymore as mild concussion. We know that with all the work I've done with veterans and with, other groups of people that have TBIs and friends who work for the Seahawks and what they've tried to do to reduce the impact of these head injuries. But drive careful. Look ahead in your traffic, way ahead. And what I mean is because if you put enough distance in between you and the guy in front of you and you stop, well, at least it gives you a fighting chance. And that's what I would say. But even if you do, just be prepared because, unfortunately, even though there was enough room between me and the guy in front of me, it's like you can get plowed by a big truck, something like that, and you can be very much harmed. I was not aware of how many car accidents there were with pileups. I didn't pay any attention until I was in one, and now I see them everywhere. So what I want to say to you is be careful, be safe out there. And I can't help it, but I'm going to say something really nice about a couple of best friends of mine, and that is Davis Law Group. And, they're just really good people, and I know this. If you get in a serious car crash, at least give them a call because, even if you don't end up using them, they have wonderful books that I learned so much from when I had my traumatic brain injury and I'm still recovering. And they have these books that talk about what a brain injury is. And they give them to you for free. So if you are someone you love and you want to understand more about brain injuries, they'll send you a book for free. And it really helped both me and my husband understand what had happened to me. It's a free book, and if you get in that accident, be sure to get it and read it, and they're lovely people. Big hug to Davis Law Group for everything they do, especially for MAD, Mothers Against Drunk Driving. They raise a lot of money for that, and they put their heart forward, and I can tell you that from working with them. So just a nice shout out to people who really care about you and the community. I think that's very important.